Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Human Health and Diseases. In that we are studying topic cancer. Now when I say cancer, it means uncontrolled division of cells. Let's study a little bit more about it. Cancer. Whenever you study cell division or cell cycle, we all know that there are different phases for cell cycle. S phase, which is synthesis phase, G1, which is gap 1 phase, G2 gap 2 phase, and finally the mitotic phase, the main synthesis phase. This is all regulated and it takes place in certain manner. But whenever cancer develops in an individual, there is untimely, unregulated division of cells. That is mitosis, that is equivocational division or somatic cell division will take place, but it will take place in very rapid form. There will be no order to it. Especially during cancer, what happens is your cells multiply in such a rapid manner that a mass or lymph is formed, and that is termed as cancer. Now cancer is also termed as neoplasm. When I talk about neo, it means new, and plasm, it means a new substance. Now cancer, which is an unknown mass of a cell or a tissue that's present at different places in your body, can be broadly divided into two different categories, or cancer can be termed as tumor also. Now tumor could be of two different types. One is the malignant tumor and another one is the benign tumor. Now malignant tumor, if I talk about, can spread into neighboring cells or neighboring tissue, whereas your benign tumor stays at a particular place. It doesn't spread. So malignant tumor, if present in kidney, can go up your lymph node. If it is not removed, which is malignant tumor, there are chances that it can spread to different regions and which can be very harmful or fatal in long run. Whereas your benign tumor is mostly harmless if not surgically removed, and time taken to kill it or to destroy it by chemotherapy or with medicines is okay for certain individuals. Now your benign tumor is a mass of differentiated cells, whereas your malignant tumor is basically a mass of undifferentiated cells. There is no indifference in this malignant tumor. Malignant tumor is non-capsulated, whereas your benign tumor is basically capsulated connective tissues. Cancer, a type of cell division in which there is no cell cycle pattern followed. So no phases are followed of cell division. It can be defined as improperly regulated, uncoordinated growth of cells which destroy the healthy tissues of a body. Basically, whenever an individual develops any form of cancer, what happens is that the apoptosis or the programmed cell death is stopped, or you can say paused for a certain period of time. And when there is no apoptosis, or your old cells are not going to die and new cells are continuously formed, there will be a lump or a mass of tissues, or you can say a layer of cells or tissues formed at a particular region, which is termed as cancerous. Now, excessive autonomous cell division is one of the leading causes. When I say autonomous, it means at its own, without any regulatory pattern or without following any enzymes or instructions given by the body. Cancer is also termed as neoplasm. When I say neo, it means new, and when I say plasm, it means a new substance that's formed in your body. Now, tumors, or you can say cancers, can be divided into two different types. One is benign and another one is the malignant form. Benign tumor. Now, benign tumor is the one in which there is mass of differentiated cells present. The cells of different forms are present. Benign tumor, basically they grow very slowly and they never spread to the neighboring cells. So the chances of getting benign tumor and curing or recovering from them is almost very rapid as compared to the malignant form. Now when I talk about malignant form, this is the dangerous form, or you can say the lethal form. Now in this, the mass of undifferentiated cells are present. The cells grow very rapidly as compared to the benign tumor. They can spread to the neighboring cells also. So for example, if you have malignant tumor or malignant form of cancer in your kidney, there are chances that your liver could be affected or your stomach could be affected in an order. Malignant tumors are basically non-capsulated. That's the reason it is easy to kill them, but they've spread in such a rapid fashion that chemotherapy has some dysfunctioning, or it takes a lot of time for chemotherapy to work on them. They can prove very harmful and may prove fatal if not removed surgically. Why do I say that it can be proved harmful if not removed surgically? Obviously, you know that malignant tumors, they spread very fast. So if they're not removed from a particular location, if they're present, they have a chance to spreading into entire body and causing cancers at different locations in your body. Now, apart from getting cancer, which is hereditary, which is just 0.5% cases or chances, there are other forms of cancer available which could be caused due to your diet, due to your eating habits, due to your stress levels, taking certain medications, and all of them. Whenever an individual is detected by cancer, there are blood tests or preliminary CBC test is done, followed by other tests. Chemotherapy is one of the most widely used treatments that is used to cure cancer. Chemotherapy is nothing but radiations that are given on cancerous cells to kill those harmful cells. Students, I hope you all are very clear about this concept of what cancer is and how cancer spreads to different parts.